Howdy everyone. So we just explored the indoor sky lounge here, and now we're looking at the pool area with an outdoor lounge. So this is a very extensive area. There's a lot to see here with all of the equipment, there's three grills, one, two, three grills at the East Quarter residence, actually four, I see a fourth. There's a fire pit area over here, and we haven't even gotten to the pool yet. This is pretty stunning. The amount of just chairs here, space, everything, it's pretty incredible. And this is just this part. And then you've got some spectacular views of downtown right over here. This is a fun area. Look at this. So just gorgeous area to just check out and have views of. And there's the downtown skyline. Now we're gonna walk in to the pool area, and so here we go. Let's see if we can open it up. Yep, here we go. So here's the pool, and now let's just do a separate video for the pool.